I'm Antonia, the team captain of CORE. We are a student team from Eindhoven University of Technology, and we have two goals. First of all, we want to be a learning school for students and interns of all around the world. And secondly, we want to create AI technology that helps with separating waste streams such as plastic, e-waste, and so on. When we look at this laptop with our human eye, we cannot tell really much about what it contains. Using X-ray technology, we can see batteries, and this is the moment when AI comes into place. The AI tells, for example, to a water cutter that those batteries have to be cut out of the laptop. 10 years from now, our AI technology will be perfected, that it will be capable to separate waste streams and make them perfect for recycling here in the Netherlands.